Ensuring quality and practicality, Ensmar, a renowned high-tech enterprise from China, offers economically viable solutions to global consumers. Notably excellent in residential energy storage and propelled by significant demand in the industrial and commercial sectors, our ESC series has earned a distinguished market reputation. The ESC series is a high-voltage energy storage solution. Each cluster consists of battery modules paired with a high-voltage box, supporting up to 32 battery modules in series, achieving voltages as high as 1638.4 volts, while also accommodating single module usage. Given the current market is saturated with numerous inverter brands, each with unique voltage requirements, our adaptable configuration caters to the diverse needs of different inverters. Our products are compatible with leading inverter brands, including 𝐃𝐞𝐲, Solis, 𝐷𝐿𝐻𝐸, SunGrow, 𝐿𝐶𝐸, 𝐊𝐴𝐺𝐸, INVT and SMA, among others. Additionally, each cluster can work in parallel after integration with the central BMS and DC combiner box to fulfill the market's need for extended backup power duration. This feature is especially relevant to standardized containerized energy storage systems ranging from 500 to 3000 kWh, which are widely implemented in industrial parks, hospitals, shopping malls, municipal facilities, power plants and various other settings. Ensmar has secured numerous patents and garnered prestigious accolades, such as the German Red Dot Design and Shenzhen Design Awards. Our mission is to empower communities to reduce fuel consumption and foster pollution-free living environments.